So, birthday greetings. This is one of the most common motives to send an email to your clients or your prospects. It's something very simple, but it goes a long way. It doesn't take much. You need to know the person's birthday. Usually, when I'm in conversation with somebody, sometimes it comes up and I make a note of it right away, or sometimes I ask in a natural way and I keep track of it. I myself put it into the CRM right away on my phone. If you don't have a CRM, you could send yourself an email and then put it in your Excel file. The point is, make a note of it, keep a list, and then on the person's birthday, send out a birthday greeting. It doesn't seem like it's a lot of work, but because it's so personal and so close to the person's heart, it's a very positive way. Just think of when you receive a greeting from like your bank or from your dentist. You feel good, right? I remember about 20 years ago when I first started working. I was working for an airline, and one of the first things in sales, business development, account management. One of the first things they got me to do was to call a long list of clients, and it wasn't a cold call. It was to ask specific people's birthdays, and I had to put that into the CRM even back then. And I thought, what do these guys want that for? This is so awkward, and I'm just calling people asking for their birthdays. But it was part of that little process of client retention. It's so good. If nothing else, if they got nothing else throughout the year, they'll get a birthday greeting from you, and it's really important. So happy Friday.